Vice President of the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, Dwight Clark, is calling for all hands on deck as the international lacrosse returns to Jamaica. The local association will host the 2026 Pan American Men's Lacrosse Championship from August 16 through to 23.
Staging this sort of tournament in Jamaica is described as a major milestone for lacrosse in the Caribbean, which highlights the rapid growth of the sport. The tournament, which will be held at Jamaica University College and Stadium East, will be used as the qualifier for the 2027 World Championship. But for it to be a success, the local authority is calling on the business and private sector to make it work.
We need all hands on deck. We need the corporate sponsors. We need JOA. We need SDF. We need the government to come behind us because this is where we have all the top teams in the world. We have the USA, the Haudenosaunee, Canada. Those are the top three in the world, and for us to make it, we have to come at least fifth to qualify for the championship. So with this now, we need all the support we can get. The team need support in terms of training camps and stuff to get prepared for this game.
It is the second time that Jamaica will be hosting an international lacrosse tournament following the successful hosting of the 2023 Pan Am Sixes Cup.
People had a wonderful sporting experience. They loved the culture, they loved the island, they loved all the food. And I will tell you, having gone through those food lines, there wasn't one bit of food left at the end of the day. They did an amazing job. People had an amazing time. It was the best part of sport. So building on that experience, we're able to host another PALA regional qualifiers.
And if you haven't seen the national team play, there is a chance of you seeing exactly what they're made of.
If you watch a game, I can encourage people, if they haven't seen a game, you can go on YouTube, and there's a Jamaica-Italy game. It's exciting. I get goosebumps. Right down to the last second. That was the 2023 World Championships in San Diego.
Despite the men's game being ranked 8th in the world, there is still some way to go if it is to get to the top in Jamaica.
Our local game is still in its incubation stage, to be honest with you, because our local players, they are doing very well. They are getting the scholarship to go abroad and stuff, but where we started lacrosse in the high school, and when you look at what the other people are doing in the world, they start from basic school, like 2-year-old, 3-year-old, we start at 13. And for us, for having our team doing so well so far, the local base players that get scholarship and go away, they are doing extremely well.
And for the game to grow locally, Vice President of the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, Dwight Clark, agrees that they must start playing games outside of Kingston. But Clark believes in another 5 years they could achieve their goal.
We don't have the capacity to go outside of Kingston yet. With the signing of the MOU with Michael, where we have train-the-trainer program, where we're going to have people coming down from abroad to teach the lecturers there and teach kids that's doing PE, physical ed, to go out and play. So that's now, they're going to be the ones that will spread the sport for us. There's teams outside that want to play, but because we don't have the coaches and the referees to do those games and also coach it, that's where we're having the issue, and that's what we're working to correct.
With the growth of lacrosse around the world, the International Olympics Association has since added it to the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.